The central feature of the algorithm to produce this magnifying glass effect is the CSS clip path property. This CSS property creates a clipping region that sets what part of an element should be shown. The whole program revolves around the clip path by positioning and scaling the image, taking into account mouse cursor coordinates and magnification value. To achieve this, the same image was placed in the container element twice. img contain serves as a background image within a container. It is styled using the CSS property object_fit_contain. This image remains static all the time. It is like background. The first image element with ID img is the foreground. It is the magnifying glass itself. This image is dynamically repositioned while the mouse is moving, in such a way that the mouse cursor points to the same spot in both images, foreground and background, but these images have different scaling. Also, the magnification value must be taken into account. That is why some additional computation is needed to position the foreground image correctly. If I press F2, the path clip will be turned off, and you can see how the magnification value changes the size of the foreground image. If I set the magnification to 1, the foreground image will have the same size as the background image. Pressing F2 again will toggle clipping. The list of variables in the top left corner of the viewport is the list of all variables used by this algorithm. I needed them while debugging and testing, but now they are there for educational purposes. An interesting problem that I stumbled upon while writing this code was that the CSS property object_fit_contain places the background image in the container nicely, but counts the image size as the whole container size. However, the relative mouse coordinates on the image are needed. That is what img left and img top variables are for. They allow us to define the relative mouse position within an actual background image. There are a lot of comments. I hope they will help to clarify the logic implemented to produce this effect. File's location is in the description. Now I scroll both HTML and JavaScript files. That's all for now. Have a nice one.